Welcome to our video on hacking, where we'll navigate the complex world of computer security and ethical considerations. Let's begin by understanding the common security measures that protect computers from intrusions, such as firewalls and antivirus software. There are various hacking techniques such as phishing, brute force attacks, and social engineering that you should be aware of. Hackers often start with reconnaissance to gather essential information about their target systems. Next, we'll explore how weaknesses in software can be identified and exploited by hackers. Now, let's discuss the various methods hackers employ to bypass security mechanisms and gain unauthorized access. Once inside, maintaining access is crucial. Hackers use specific techniques to ensure they can return later. To avoid detection, hackers often employ techniques to erase their tracks and conceal their activities. Remember, hacking is illegal. The consequences can be severe, leading to legal action against individuals involved. In conclusion, while hacking can be intriguing, it's vital to operate within ethical boundaries and understand the legal implications.